here with Compass Real Estate. I'd love to introduce to you my new listing at 20 Highland Court in Danville. Come on in, take a peek. We have a gorgeous contemporary style. This home was completely rebuilt in 2008 by our local architect, Joseph Gorny. And we have spectacular oversized windows and slider doors that open up to this gorgeous Mt Diablo view. The great thing about this location is you're walkable to downtown Danville, just 3 blocks off of the downtown area, and yet you have spectacular views. This contemporary estate also has, along with the main home, it has a gorgeous pool house off the pool. Come by and see us. We will be listed on the market early January, but can be shown at any time.